Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, here I will tell you about the customs and wedding process of the Baju tribe. For this wedding custom video, I take it from YouTube. Let's just watch the video recently.
Tembus. Asik kali. Ya pegang beda. Geli. Mila.
Coba kau buka anu, coba buka anu jam pro 50 ya. 50 ya.
Traditional rituals and stage of marriage of the Bajo tribe consist of several parts including the meaning of beating the drum. The wedding customs of the Bajo tribe have a wealth of unique traditions, one of which is the ritual of beating the drum, which is carried out when welcoming the arrival of men. This ritual is not just a ceremonial event but has a meaning in the social and spiritual context of the Bajo community. The beating of the drum at the time of the groom's arrival is a symbol of a lively and honorable welcome. This indicates that the wedding is an important moment celebrated by the entire Bajo tribe community. The drum functions as a musical accompaniment that creates a joyful and solemn atmosphere and indicates that the marriage process has begun. In addition, the sound of the drum is considered to bring blessings and protection from the spirits of ancestors, so it is hoped that the wedding will go well. Thus, the beating of the drum when welcoming the arrival of a man in the Bajo tribe wedding custom is not just a tradition but also an expression of gratitude and hope for blessing in the new life of the bride and groom. These traditions show how important community values and spirituality are in every aspect of Bajo people's life, especially in sacred moments such as wedding. Second to Kuntau. Kuntau, one of the interesting aspects of Bajo wedding is the Kuntau tradition, which is a martial art that is displayed during Bajo wedding customs. In this context, some men will perform the Kuntau dance as a form of welcoming the arrival of the groom's family. This dance is not just entertainment but also as a symbol of acceptance and respect for the bride's family. Kuntau is accompanied by traditional musical instruments such as drums and gongs, creating a festive and meaningful atmosphere. The third, sowing rice. The wedding customs of the Bajo tribe have various rich and unique traditions, one of which is the tradition of sprinkling rice to the groom and his entourage. This tradition is usually carried out when the groom arrives at the bride's house or when the bride's accompaniment goes around the village. The sowing of rice, which is often in the form of yellow rice, symbolizes congratulations and happiness from the community to the bride and groom. In addition, yellow rice is also considered a symbol of fertility and blessings, which is expected to support the newly built household life. Overall, the tradition of sowing rice in Bajo tribal weddings is an expression of joy and hope from the community. This reflects the strong values of social and communal solidarity in Bajo culture, where every member of the community participates in celebrating important moments in an individual's life. The purpose of holding the wedding customs of the Baju tribe have various rituals that are rich in meaning and symbolism, which is the tradition of keeping the groom and his entourage informed of the entourage of the bride's house. This tradition is known as part of the welcoming process, which aims to show respect and acceptance from the woman's family towards the future husband. Holding the groom informed of the entourage has several important purposes in the context of Baju culture. First, it serves as a symbol of testing the groom's seriousness and commitment. In these traditions, the woman's family will ask some questions or challenges that the groom must answer before the enters. This reflects values that prioritize responsibility and seriousness in living a marriage. Overall, the tradition of holding the groom informed of the entourage is a reflection of the rich values of Baju culture, where every step in the wedding is felt with deep meaning and purpose. Conclusion. Overall, the Baju tribes, rituals, and stage of marriage show how important community values and spirituality are in every aspect of their lives, especially in sacred moments such as marriage. These traditions not only strengthen the relationship between individuals and families, but also maintain the continuity of culture and values that have been passed down from generation to generation. Thank you.